of the day is that can we use air condition safely, or is there any extra point that we can use air conditioned room or environment after IVF or embryo transfer? Is air condition can increase the chances of success in IVF? So let me introduce this question. Myself, Dr. Gaurav Chawda, and my colleague, my spouse, Dr. Alpa Chawda. Both we think and we believe that yes, because of IVF success is also depend on patient comfort zone and also some of the hormonal environment. If we make environment at ease and if the temperature is below 27 degrees centigrade, so it is more convenient for the transfer of the embryo derived patient to get more chances to get success, because whenever patient in a very hot or humid or like something annoying environment, so there may be chances of stress level increasing is more. So that's why it is advisable. You can use, it is not must. It is only you should, if you afford this, you can add this facility and you can choose this facility for IVF success. If you have any question of this type, you can direct contact MADHUDEEP IVF and Test Tube Baby Hospital. Our mobile number is 9974864644. Thank you so much.